Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about a payment system that we have created for Tumble House, which is integrated with Google Sheets. Now, Tumble House is a place where children can come and play. The parent's name can be filled up here, the child's name can be filled up here. We are requesting the parents to fill in the child's date of birth so that we can also send them automated WhatsApp message when it's their birthday. So I'm just going to select a random date, and then I'm basically going to select a time when I want to avail this. So we are going to choose, let's say, 16th of March. And now you see the rest of the calendar is grayed out because we can also restrict the time up till which we are going to take the booking. And then we are basically going to get the time slots that is available. Once you click on this drop down, these time slots are basically going to come. Now this is completely dynamic, and you're also getting to see the available seats that is there. How this is coming is through this Google Sheet, which is in the backend. Here we can define all the slots, and the system automatically calculates how many remaining slots are there. Also, we can define the price for every single slot, so that way we can have dynamic pricing. Now, once these time slots have been selected, and we need to select the number of seats. It is automatically gone to the payment gateway after we have clicked on the Pay Now button. Now, once this payment is made, this information is basically going to come to me in this particular Google Sheet, and an automated confirmation is going to go out to them with the names, email IDs, phone numbers, number of seats that's been booked, with a QR code to the person. Once they come in and they have utilized their time slot, a confirmation is also going to go out to them, thanking them for their time, and also letting them know well in advance if they want to extend their time. We also have this template here, which is basically the back end of the sheet, which controls everything from the messaging to the username and password to the phone number from where the message needs to go out, the WhatsApp message needs to go out. The system can work very well for all professionals who are into any form of consulting, let's say doctors, lawyers, yoga teachers, anybody. So looking forward to connecting with all of you. Thank you.